long is extended to 30.5 centimeter by a force 300 Newton. Find the strain energy of the wire. Here we are to calculate the strain energy of the wire. For us to do that, we say K is equal to F over E. Our force is 300 and our E is 0.05. So our K will be equal to 60,000. This implies that our E, which is the strain energy we have to find, is 1 over 2 times Ke squared. This will be equal to 1 over 2 times 60,000 times 0.05 squared. This will give us 0.75 joules, and that will be option D. Question 12. In a hydraulic press, the pump piston exerts a pressure of 100 PA on the liquid. What force is exerted in the second piston of cross-sectional area 3 meter square? We'll use the formula F over A equals to F, capital F now, over capital A. This will be equals to 100, which will be equals to F over 3. Therefore, our F is 300 Newton. That is option D. Question 13. The accurate measurement of the relative density of a substance in its powdered form is done with a beam balance and A, an Eureka can, B, a burette, C, a pipette, D, a density bottle. The correct option here is option D. For us to measure the accurate relative density of a substance, we use a density bottle. Question 14. A hydrometer is an instrument used in measuring A, density of liquid, B, relative density of a liquid, C, relative humidity of liquid, D, vapor pressure of fluid. The correct option here is option A. We use a hydrometer to measure density of a liquid. Question 15. One special advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric liquid is Let me take that question again. One special advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric liquid is its A, low freezing point, B, low boiling point, C, high specific heat capacity, D, low density. The right option here is option D. The advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric liquid is its low density. 16. Two metals P and Q of length L1 and L2 are heated through the same temperature difference. If the ratio of the linear expansivity of P to Q is 2 to 3, and the ratio of their length is 3 to 4, what is the ratio of increase in length of P to Q? Now, for us to find the ratio of the increase in length of P to Q, let's use the formula L2 minus L1 times P all over L2 minus L1 times Q. This implies that the change in L1 of this temperature and the change in L1 of the temperature equals to 2 times 3 times the change in the temperature all over 3 times 4 times the temperature. This will be equals to 1 over 2. And this will give us a ratio of 1:2. Question 17. The density of a certain oil on frying becomes 0.4 with a volume of 20 meter cube. What will be its initial volume when its initial density is 0.8? Assuming no loss of oil due to spillage. The mass is equal to D times V. So we have 0.4 times 20, which will give us 8 kg. Therefore, mass over D will give us the volume, right? So we will now have 8 all over 0.8 will give us 3 meter cube. And that is our option A. Question 18. Heat is radiated by all hot objects in the form of A, light energy, B, B. Solar energy. C. Infrared rays. D. X-rays. Heat is radiated by all hot objects in the form of infrared rays. Question 19. If a container is filled with ice to the brim, what happens to the level of water when the ice completely melts? A. The water in the glass outflows. B. The level of water drops. C. The level of water remains unchanged. D. The level of water goes up. The right option is option B. The level of water drops. 20. The small droplet of water that forms on the grass in the early hours of the morning is A. Dew. B. Mist. C. Fog. D. Hail. The correct option is A. Early in the morning on our grass in our neighborhood, you see dew on the grass.